I want to show you how to put videos inside shapes in Premiere Pro. I've just added a video to my timeline and I want to center the subject's face inside my shape. Go over to the rectangle tool and hold left click. Then select your desired shape and draw it over your preview screen. Now go over to Effects and search for Track Matte key and add the effect to your video clip. Under Effect Controls, expand Matte and select the video layer your shape is on. Now select your shape layer and click on Vector Motion. Then click and drag your shape over the object you want to focus on. If you want to resize your shape, you can simply click and drag one of the corners to make it bigger or smaller. To round the corners of your shape, highlight your graphic and go over to Properties. Then increase corner radius to your liking. If you try to move your shape, you'll simply be moving the focus off your subject. To correct this, simply highlight both of your clips and right-click, then select Nest and OK.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.